Are you investing in mutual funds, but are you not really happy with your mutual fund portfolio performance? Then let me tell you how we can optimize your mutual fund portfolio returns. Please watch this video till the end to know more about it. Hi guys, this is Samir Joshi. I am a financial planner and I am the founder of Blooming Rich Wealth Management Firm, and I am going to add value to your financial well-being. So mutual funds in last 4 to 5 years have garnered too much of attraction, and there is a lot of investments coming in mutual fund industry. Now the main reason for that is declining rate of interest on fixed deposits and attractive rate of returns generated by equity as well as debt mutual funds. Having said that, there are some investors who are not happy with mutual fund performances. But there are reasons why they are not happy. And there are ways we can always work on our mutual fund portfolios so that we are content with its performance and we can always optimize the returns. So one of the major reasons for that, and one of the major ideas is what I can say, is to diversify your portfolio. Now what I mean to say diversify your portfolio is, it means that we should not have so many schemes in mutual fund portfolio just for the sake of it. It means that we can choose a scheme which contains different stock portfolio, it has a different theme, or it has different sectors altogether. Taking multiple schemes in the mutual fund portfolio will make it difficult for us to keep a track on their performances, and eventually it will lead to overall poor performance of the mutual fund portfolio. So what we strongly believe is that when we are thinking about diversifying the portfolio, we should have some composition to quality debt mutual funds, also some mutual fund schemes which are completely into different sectors like banking, pharma, or consumer durable, or we can also look forward to some MNC funds or international funds. When we are doing diversification and when we also have some flavor in the overall portfolio of some quality debt funds, that leads to a very good risk adjusted investment portfolio. So when I'm talking about risk adjusted mutual fund investment portfolio, it means that if a particular sector is going down, then the other sectors can keep the momentum of the overall portfolio steady. And debt mutual funds will never have the equity market impact, so they will also be able to a certain percentage or to a certain extent steady the ship and reduce the overall losses in the performance in the overall portfolio performances. So diversification is a key factor, but having said that, to what extent we need to diversify, there is also a limit, and the best way to limit our diversification is to identify a certain goal to our investments and then choose investment solutions or mutual fund schemes accordingly. This is one very important part, which is called diversification of the portfolio. Second, one of the most important parts is to also take SIP routes in the overall portfolio, because the markets are never going to be a linear ramp. When we see the market, there will always be a sine waves and they will always be up and down. So there will be a lot of volatility even going forward. And SIP is the best way to capture a volatility. It will always average out our purchasing power of mutual funds, and that leads to a very good performance in the overall portfolio over a longer period. In fact, what we recommend everybody is that when the markets are going down, that's the time we should increase the allocation to our SIPs, because that's the time, if our SIPs keep hitting the bottom of the market, they will be capturing more number of units at lower price. And eventually when the markets go up once again and they beat their previous highs, we will get better returns to our SIPs, which continued with higher amount of investment during the downfall of the market. Now, this is one very important factor. The third and the most important, which is very, very essential and which is ideally not done by so many people, is reviewing the portfolio periodically. So periodic review is very important. What I mean to say is that every scheme, even if the best of the best performing scheme going forward can possibly start underperforming, and we wouldn't even know that unless we keep a review of it. So no matter how good the scheme is, how better is the performance of the overall portfolio, every 6 months to 1 year we need to keep a track of our portfolio performance. If there is a laggard in the overall portfolio, any scheme not performing very well, we can simply remove the investment and we can look forward to any other scheme available to have a better performance going forward. On the other hand, we can also do periodic profit booking wherever required, because as the market conditions change, we may also look forward to getting different schemes in the overall portfolio. So say for example, now the markets are all-time high. Small cap and mid caps have performed to their best of the best performances by now. Right now, what we believe is that we may probably move out of the mid caps and small caps of the world, and we can possibly switch to flexi cap kind of a portfolio. Now, this is at this moment going to be the ideal investment because of the fact that we are looking forward to optimizing portfolio by doing a proper review to it. So periodic review is equally important, apart from doing diversification and taking SIP REITs to our mutual fund, and that is the best way to optimize the overall performances. So if you really like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, please share this video to your friends or family members so that everybody can ensure how they can optimize their mutual fund portfolios. And if you have any queries or questions, please fill the form. The link is available in description. You may also write us at support@bloomingrich.in, or you may call us at 8010-778-778 and our team will get in touch with you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, this is Samir Joshi. Goodbye.